This is the Brute trailers. We are showing the Brute trailers hydraulic jacks. Our jacks are somewhat unique in the fact that we can lower both of them individually or together. We can actually jack the coupler on the trailer sideways far enough that it'll travel 5 inches left or right to drop onto a ball. We'll move around here to the front. We can see a video. Let me get out of the sun here. Okay, my technician here will go ahead and lift the trailer up and then bring it down combined. Need to bring that other jack down. Okay, now he's going to bring it back down. By the way, our jacks are bolt-on, so if you ever leave one down and drive away and bend it, it can be unbolted, and either we can send out a replacement part, or if you have your own shop, you can straighten it in the shop. Okay, go ahead and bring it back up to level. These jacks are rated at a minimum of a 12,000 pound per jack capacity. We have these available up to 75,000 pound capacity, and now we're going to go, if the sunlight will cooperate, we'll show how the I guess bring the right side down. It's actually, because of our torque tube, it's probably not going to show too much because there's no weight on the trailer, but you can see the function of how the jacks operate separately. You go ahead and bring that on up. Bring the left one up. Okay, that's it for our hydraulic jack demonstration. Yeah. Okay, this shows our hydraulic deck lock, which we are the only gooseneck trailer manufacturer to offer a hydraulic deck lock. Our deck lock enables us to carry a minimum of 12,000 pounds on the tail. That's good, that's high enough. Now go ahead and unlock it. There's not much movement here, but you can see it go up, and you'll bring the trailer down to the load position. Go ahead and bring the whole thing down. I'll move. Hopefully I won't get smashed too small back here. You can keep coming. You can keep coming. We're okay. I'll move. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and lift it back up. I might add at this time, our dovetail, again being the only one in the industry, it lifts up high enough to accommodate a freight dock. Just going all the way up. And we have options. If you have railroad docks to lift off of, we can even go higher with longer cylinders. Keep going. Okay, that's it. That's good. And as this video is running, I'll back off here and show you how high the tail of the trailer is. I can't stop the video because I don't know how to combine two videos on YouTube. That shows you the height of the trailer. Do you want to walk back there and just stick your hand up and people can see how high it is? Okay, and we'll come back up here and bring the trailer down a little bit, or the tail down a little bit. Apologize for all the jerky movements here. Okay, bring her down. Okay, bring the deck lock in place. Okay. It's got two shoes on the deck lock. It's fail safe when in the transport position. Even if you were to lose hydraulic pressure, the deck lock will not go down any further. Okay, come on down. And when we come at the where it contacts it, we just pressure down on the pump a little bit there. And like I said, it's a fail-safe deck lock. And the cross tube there, you'll see it's a 5 3/4 inch. It's oil field tubing, so it's not pipe. This stuff is almost 3/8 of an inch thick, and it does not have a seam in it. Anyway, that's the Brute Trailer's hydraulic deck lock, and you can see the tail function too. This is Brute Trailer's hydraulic dovetail trailer. We'll explain a few of the features. We showed the jacks in another video. Here's our chain box in front, and you'll notice we have a drop down door. You can put 3 5-gallon cans of diesel fuel in there. This here also shows the Dexter Predator electric hydraulic brake system, and you can see here also where we bring our hydraulic hoses. Any wire, any hoses that goes through the frame, we have rubber grommets to keep from cutting the hose. And we also have a T-latch there. Our I-beam gussets, our gooseneck gussets, are actually made out of I-beam. We are the only company that does this. Our trailer comes standard with steps and guide bars right there. We also come standard with a torque tube, and we got all the lawyer stuff here. They tell us what to do. Thank God for lawyers. The cross members on this trailer, now this is a Pierce beam trailer that the cross members actually go through the trailer frame. The cross members are 3-inch rectangular tubing. They're probably 75% stronger than the regular 3-inch channel that everybody else uses. Another interesting thing most people never think about is if you look at our cross members, we weld 100% of the way around the cross member where it goes through the I-beam. That's both inside and out. We also offer standard knee bracing on our trailers. This particular trailer has 12,000-pound Dexter axles with adjustable suspension. All of our trailers come standard with adjustable suspension. And we all have brand new radial tires. This trailer also happens to have, with the 2 jacks up front, we offer a single pump, a deep cycle marine battery, and then each hydraulic function, the up and down on the tail, the lock and unlock on the deck lock, the left jack, the right jack, are all operated off this central manifold system. And this tray slides out. Can you slide this tray out? It's not bolted in yet. The tray slides out for maintenance work or if you need to add hydraulic fluid to the tank. Keeps you from having to stick your head in a little cubby hole there. And we use Monarch Bucher hydraulic pumps. They're made in the USA. They're not made in China. This tray bolts in. We've got it unbolted for demonstration purposes. Then we'll move back here. Since this is Pierce beam, we've got floor plate over the tires to give it as much clearance as possible, so if you have a heavy load, you don't hit the boards. Another unique feature to the Brute trailers is we use a special tubing both inside and out. It's called DOM. It stands for drawn over mandrel tubing. There's no seam to it. Many of the guys use pipe. Well, this stuff is $336 a stick, our cost for a 20-foot stick, and theirs is $46 a stick. We also have the center counterboard. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's a grease zerk that allows you to grease the entire hinge all the way across. There's 13 points where it greases, and it allows you to hit it at one spot. The cylinders are welded body cylinders. They're made by Prince. They're made in the USA, and parts are readily available. Parts are readily available for anything we do. The deck lock bar is 2-inch cold rolled tubing. I'm not sure you can see that there in the video, but it's heavy material. Our cylinder shafts on these cylinders is 2 3/8 diameter, so you're not going to bend these cylinders or bend these shafts. This particular trailer has diamond plate with cleats for loading up a track hoe. That's not a standard feature, but it is an option. Then our light bar is spring-loaded retracting, so when you put the tail on the ground, it retracts up into the tail. And our decking is standard pine. It's a number 2 treated select grade of pine. We also offer oak decking, appy-tongue flooring, steel decking, and a product called Rumber, which is a rubber, basically ground up tires and melted plastic, and they run it through an extrusion machine. It's very strong. It'll be here 10,000 years from now. That's how long that Rumber will last. Our trailer frame is 12-inch, 19-pound. It's an A50 grade of steel, as opposed to everybody else's A36 grade. The A50 is a 52,000 psi shear strength. The A36 is a 36,000 psi. There's one of our shop dogs here. He lays down underneath the trailers while everybody's welding and working down in the shop. Anyway, that's about all I got to say for right now. Oh, another thing, our coupler is for a 12K axle trailer, which we rate up to 30,000 pounds. This is a 30,000 pound coupler, and we have gooseneck couplers available up to 40,000 pounds. We use stake pockets, 2-inch by 3/8-inch flat bar for rub rail, and our stake pockets are on 2-foot centers. Thank you.